voilà titi ya miki na mana eme. Ya se gba lo fi otoliro aya fefe. Atiti.
Oh way. The class de cahier.
E class de cahier. E tu le si guy me kajo. O kao, e wa mu o kao le si guy lo ni. Mo wa ga.
Yeah, where Unokba, Eokba ya haki no vie.
Kakabo.
So your name Joy Ovi
is okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Okay, Zogie.
Yes.
Cool. And that Ovi went inside.
The Ovi start for Obohan.
Wow.
Yeah, because I get twin sister.
Okay, you are twin?
Yeah, I'm twin.
Okay.
Otion and Obohan, so I'm the Obohan.
Okay, you are the Obohan.
Yes.
So cool. You ever have that day yourself?
Yeah, I'm not a Nikki. We made like those trainer. I'm a pala on my what semi, my twin sister. Me.
Okay.
We need a doage when we're industry with your pa.
Yeah.
Umana zingbe.
Yeah.
Uwahala, you get setting.
Alright.
But we're not zingbe.
Yeah.
We don't mean we do kick your way. We don't enjoy. You got to many years.
Okay.
So, my vaco corridor trainer. I'm going to say, no, you're giving me a year. My sister, Masha.
It's a girl who bag or go.
Masha, that you are doing a memo.
I'm your mom.
Now you're setting. So, yeah.
Okay, change.
Change. For me, I'm like, you know.
Okay. This is what you have passion for.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm like, you know, the government. So, I have to continue.
Penetrate. So, since all this while when BC you don't did the industry now, so you don't. How you see the industry? Now, place worth living. And you yourself, they plan to go back soon.
No. I don't go anywhere, my brother.
Okay. On a imak book be anayi.
Almost Kakabo.
Okay.
Iri rock because near light industry now.
Okay.
Ha. Even no man Kakabo. Iwa deri
Hope guess you they enjoy the industry.
Yes, everywhere. In your way, no Joma go. You know Joma happy.
Okay.
Okay, no wow.
Okay.
You understand?
So tell us more about that your home. It's still there in existence.
Kakabo.
Wawawe too.
Oh, why exist? Right now.
Everything
you need.
So what will be the possibility now? Say if me will say look a third person now, say me come patronize you, say you not go disappoint us.
At all.
Always on time.
Because I believe where I don't do work for many people.
Okay.
Especially outside Nigeria, you understand?
Okay.
They do business, they go there well. They still know me. Okay. No 419, no why you.
Okay, no, because you said something like that.
Yeah.
You said person will go fit do hair for you. I'm trying to translate the advert. You said no 419, no why you. That period, trust me, we can't call you no 419, no why you. So because to me the thing they strange, you said no 419, no why you. Just come patronize us, then we'll deliver.
We'll deliver, yes. Because
so
many people, the reason why I said no 419, no why you.
Okay.
You know, Facebook now.
Okay.
If I want to buy.
Okay.
When you want me lads, don't want like you at the end, you collect you never bomb. You block you. I give me away. So that make me let them know say no 419, no why you. Bring your money.
You are always on time.
Yes.
You are always on time.
Always on time.
So how was your authenticity of your claim?
We don't know some. We don't know how. Una niu no iwa yewe to Kakabo. Do not need a wig na muye a cap. Yewe una need a where na wa dore very oni. I will still deliver. Iwa yewe Kakabo. So no. If I want error.
Okay.
Wa unu connect with me. O adi me Joy Beauty Home.
Just Joy Beauty Home.
Yeah.
You good.
Well, write to me. I mean, would able to operate the.
You deliver.
Yes. Well, write to me. I will answer you anything you want.
Okay.
I will give one to you.
All right. When you said if they had you, if they write you, if they had you, you would gladly accept and you would reply them. Are you doing it because of the business, or that is just your kind of person? You they like the reply, because all these things when we talk, so that does not change the fact that you still remain an actress. You understand? These days people they complain here and there. They said there are a lot of actresses, a lot of actors, a lot of people, you know, when we say they do inside this entertainment, if they write them, via Facebook, they know they barely they reply. If you even send a friend request, they know they accept. So we don't gather this information, don't hit our door since you understand. To you, waiting be your contribution. Is it that actors and actresses or musicians are so busy, they don't feel they reply, or you just see and say the thing get it day, or maybe na mindset?
No, because of that busy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you support the fact that they're always busy?
They're always busy. Yeah,
okay,
they're always
busy.
Just imagine now, man, don't travel. Maybe you want to go location, you go for village for 5 days, 3 days.
Okay.
How you want to enter online, say you want to reply person?
Okay.
It's not possible because the networking mobile raw very only. There was a day you called me.
Okay.
Not about where Irigwe.
Yeah.
In fact,
yeah.
Understand? So
no. Normally, when you said normally busy, being busy in the order of the day when it comes to this entertainment and you know understand.
Yeah.
So, but some people when they this busy when we say man. Some people see they let us know say man. They don't send a friend request for more than 4 months now. That statement say, we say since early of this year, we don't send down friend request. You know they accept us. So to you, how you feel give description to social? Is it okay? You just normally you made mention of production when you are in location, but at least 2 days, 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, 1 week, a month, at least. You know if you use the location, you know throughout the month. Okay.
When it's so raw. Once your list don't full.
Okay.
The limit where they reach for Facebook don't full.
Okay.
You know if you accept again.
You know if you accept.
The request.
Yeah.
Go just did it.
They'll just did it.
Hello there. Have you ever wondered where you can get quality design and prints for your ideas and concepts? Then look no further, as Gorilla Multimedia is here for you. At Gorilla Multimedia, we undertake printing services of all kinds. We design and print on t-shirts and souvenirs, printing of photo books, photo album, and exquisite framing of your photos. We also offer a cartoon and artistic drawing representation of any of your photos in either the framed or the unframed option. Don't just sit there. Contact us today on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
So you have that for every entertainer that they need to sanitize their Facebook account. Most especially nobody when not they important, but person when you know say not today active, you delete them so that you feel they accept. Imagine na do hie ya yota no vi ogo do no yeke na mena gbe no ma yeke no mena kai. As in see new friends, discard the old one. That's not what I'm saying. You understand? Because this is information that they hit our door mouth. You know understand? Ever since man, that they send some of our actors and musicians, more especially all the people, even people when they dancing aspect, you know understand? That they send their friend request, they know they accept. But deep down inside me, I know say man, Facebook not be everything. It's not compulsory saying that Facebook you must get, because not be everybody still they do Facebook. How true is that?
Yes.
You still get a lot of people. But you they stand, they tell them now, say anybody want send you friend request via your OV. But strictly for patronage or both fan, anybody when want come.
Yes. If you want send me request for business, you send me request. If you want send me request just to talk about the career, new or mao, or you can make a mistake or you can not yourself.
Okay.
You can send me request.
Okay. Do you also realize that because many fans out there outside business, many they send requests, to sorry, let me use that to criticize what you do. There's always a critic everywhere.
Yes.
You understand? So
that reminds me.
Okay.
There was a girl or a lady who sent me request.
Okay.
We send the request, we not accept it. The next thing I hear, what we call me.
Okay.
Because I pick the call. The next thing I course. Yes.
See what?
No.
Say what thing happen?
I don't know the girl before.
Okay.
I don't know her before.
So you and a drag boyfriend?
I don't know the lady. And the girl, they refer to my friend.
Okay.
Maybe say, say me the girl did the same industry.
Okay.
Maybe now she and that one, I just want to apple too, but I don't really know.
Okay.
She wants to send me message. Go tell
your friend. That one is one of the challenges.
You understand?
Okay.
He wants to send me message. Okay. Go tell and say, this and that.
Me know they talk.
You understand?
So
I was like, Talking about who send a request to get to boy.
Because we gonna be benefit.
We gonna be you understand? Me.
Okay.
Away, walking about only in fact he was with my vakugbe.
Okay.
You understand? So
now you the casual.
You understand? Like say na me offend down or me do anything.
Okay. So, but at that moment you feel bad.
Like seriously.
You cause am bad.
I no cause am.
Okay.
I no cause am because me I was trying to calm her down to understand what she was saying. As in what happened. You understand? She never listened to me.
But up to now, you are at peace.
I just block him.
Okay.
I block him because I feel say another day.
If he still call you,
they sort you.
So but and secondly, they said with another information when still hit us, they say most of people when they do this Benin movie, there's no doubt about it that our production, some of our production these days, say GIB. You know, understand? Due to some financial issue and all, you know, understand? So we can't employ many quack projects. They come the game, you know, understand? So now, and they said that normally, you know, where Osaba Gamia where Oma you with value woman, Oma we care, and Oma we wear me you know, understand? Our never we. Money cake you mark you wear, you know. So I don't say people here where Osio we come over where I come out we. You understand? Then I don't know why I tire where if we moji, you know, more. So they said most people when they do this Benin movie, you know, understand? Yeah. They say if they call many of them to make them normally, you know, say critics go always criticize. And they criticize for you. They say the best way for you to learn is to pretend you don't know anything.
Yes.
You understand? Most especially when you happen to be in the midst of people when you know say they know past. Although Percy talk comes, he say he who knows and he knows that he knows is a wise man. Yes. Follow him.
Yes.
You know understand? If they call most of una say most of the job una they do, make una they improve. If not sound, you know, depends of the complaint when everybody complain. Yes. You know understand? Yes. The sound, picture quality and all. They say una they take calm as offense. How true is that?
For me,
because the last time I checked, who criticized supposed to be a platform for you to grow.
Yes.
You understand? Yes. But they say when they criticize, if they just tell now just the verse, why is it like that? How true is that?
I don't believe that one.
Okay.
The reason why I say I don't believe that one.
Okay.
Me if you now upload the YouTube.
Yeah.
The comment no raw. You comment. Even if na dey film nu doma. Even if na dey ma. E na comment jo. O can say tin.
Okay.
Emi nu doma. So we me ye me na mo film me yan. Wala o ma na ma wa comment.
Okay.
Me can learn a mistake me. You understand?
Okay.
Me can emi ya emi ni ma say. So that next time he na be worry.
Yeah.
Can na be correct.
Okay.
There was a film I produced. A film he produced. One boy called me. Okay. He said Auntie, the camera quality.
Yeah, poor.
It get it day.
Okay.
I can't let her know. So the camera quality say yes. I can't let her know. So okay, we see. No matter money.
Yeah.
So me I have a worry now.
We will learn.
It give a learning.
Okay.
Understand?
Yeah.
Because if they not complain, we not go feel learn our lesson.
We not feel take a step.
We not feel take a step. You understand? Yeah. So. Okay, we are woman do I or anything no. Okay. For me, me sort of one. What samame, I will know where my mistake is.
Are you looking for a place where you can get quality ironworks for that your fantastic building plan? Or are you looking for solid burglary proof to keep intruders away? Then worry no longer, as you can count on Omori Steel and Fabrication to give you the fantastic iron fabrication to make your building outstanding. For bookings and more information, please call 081-79-111-024, or you can contact us on our Gmail, omorifab@gmail.com. Omori Steel and Fabrication, quality at its finest.
I don't feel specify exactly when you came in, and I believe the audience out there themselves no feel specify.
Yes.
So I wonder when that time be.
The time I came into the industry.
Okay.
That was.
Oh
yeah, Jerry.
Okay,
yeah, Jerry. That was 2011.
11.
Yeah.
That was when you
came into the industry.
Yes. When you came.
Yeah.
2011. Okay.
You give 2011.
Okay.
Like I said before,
Okay.
Mukbari,
Okay.
me and my twin sister.
Okay, now
Enter.
Alright.
So, I go back to learn my work.
Okay.
That's my stylist hair.
This one when you did.
Yeah.
Okay.
So now spend it 2 years. You're learning with me.
So when you were in that work, we are we movie baby, you quit movie.
No,
finally.
I quit movie
Okay.
because when I want go, in the rain here, we say vani.
Yeah.
On here, mommy, let's say nowhere. Going na new.
Okay.
And I okay. Yeah, accept. But there was a time, yeah, it's a where mama, you the location or the location. Oh, L. Quick. Area I'm gonna back way. This and that. You understand? Or magikwe.
Yeah.
Where was okpa?
Okay.
Either winning name movie
Okay.
or stay nowhere winner. But you give it to time where I got better.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You give it to time okay. Let me just learn this work first. Yeah, learning when I now go for me. Not by the control me. Yeah, take your star. You will location up by no me.
Okay.
Understand? So now the to time now we're if you free ne we have fair ne. Come back to the industry again.
Okay.
Because if you like you know.
Women when no say na women because in ya wuwa mo ma mi ikinoma kino mo ai gbe na e o. I repeat, uwa mo ma kinoma kino mo ai gbe na e o. You understand? So now you don't start your own now.
Yes.
You understand? You don't start your own.
So
what okay, here we me are diva. But just say for example, what if they say me you choose one before between the stylist work and this acting? So which one you prefer?
I prefer acting.
Okay.
Yeah, I prefer acting because now wetin I like.
Okay.
Understand? Even when the man is one way, I got watch it. Na me na you so low. They can't go and move. You understand? Because I just like them.
Okay.
Understand? What like here?
Okay.
Also, yeti seatia.
Okay.
Yeti seatia. That way, we know you go home.
Okay. Then I guess you were very young.
Yes.
Yeah, if you were not that, young, but at least you were young.
Yes.
You understand? So I wonder how you still have a parents.
Of course, I have a parents.
So they support and when they come.
Yeah. When we mama na J school, or we winner.
Yeah.
Understand? So then when I round up for my secondary school,
okay.
Then we have a J,
okay.
So I can't tell my parents say, if you like it, drama now, I like it.
Yeah.
Yeah, quite living in yeah. Lao.
Yeah.
It my saved.
Okay.
Because then they believe women with drama. Where Uriame, understand? So that was my daddy belief.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
So even Jimmy, I don't like a movie one.
Okay.
I don't like a movie no. We try to beg him, to convince him. Although
I want to Ayabahu.
Yeah,
okay.
Although Uriame allow forgive me because we beg my mom.
Okay.
Me and my twin sister.
Okay.
Because without Tirami, I think me going my career register.
Oh,
you understand?
Register.
So how do you hear me? We might support here. We be made to support you.
But Eruwa.
I'm an attack because me no go out to
home. You understand? Yeah.
It is support.
Oh
ma, very well now because we know did not my career register. In the Roma Rion.
Yeah.
It is not one man. Lao ora mi nira ja bo mi because we ti wo se interview na le to pa owe amayari e igo nu wa so pa wa re ta meru wa ka igbe mi gwe.
All right.
So ije na kle dori ko ni na ya ready. My register and my way my register.
Okay.
So and wa yin babalao imi no imi ni malaki no. Imi no kin ari go ni manu. Owe imi yen we ni aje wa manage school. Wa igbe wuna. Owe nu aya we movie. So there was only that one talk. My daddy they listen. Understand? Now to call on your mommy. They can't tell you. She was like, okay, you know, mocking okay, because only in Nigeria, you understand? So I know na do ya cholera me e ko na do gwera me kwa e ya fe so gwera me kwa ne ra na ko ma so wa woni wa kan wo a problem iro e na to accept o ya accept na do ri go ni ma wa do ye bi je
okay wa na do ri ni ju e ni wa madam carry go no one si wa kai
mare ba mare stand there so ira pa ma ewe
yeah
mare stand understand so na do ri go ni ma do ri ni chiri o ze we o ni ma
o ma we
okay so e ni ya e ma do ya register so me ya iwe to gbe o me kan mo go ije mo then maybe say na me ni say me industry na yeah now do invite some of our artists. Then Eweka Ige some of them. Maybe face like them. Now do invite here. They are making me have a marriage. Our village people as that is a they was like if you we movie. They married now. Understand? The surprise. So we are making me fe agree with marriage ne. Renusa. Imani wa we drama ya kwari a marriage we wa ya you know era me giving ya preserve ya na do okay
odere
na okay so you give me movie ni ma une be ya fe I be mi okwa ma pe ani ni be we a movie I give ya ki okun ya do okay so you be akan be na I be respect we ya fe.
So meaning now you know they regret am.
No.
They regret am. Okay. So
attitude. How could this come class in? Oh, what say? They were can part of very good. What is it? Attitude pa gbe. Who say we want to find the man? Can I read it now? Anyone read it for us. Mania, Miss Beko Yawen. Oh, anyone, could you want me to walk?
I believe that time when you enter, you're supposed to remember the first movie.
Yeah, the first movie.
So that first movie, what did you say no?
The first movie where you know this man called Osa Yesu. No way by Yomo.
Yeah.
No way by Yomo because 3 years it may like the industry.
Okay, you came in through him.
3 years like the industry.
Okay.
So there was a movie he produced then. Olode. After Ibayomo. Ibayomo na part 1 and 2. Olode come be 3 and 4.
Okay.
Understand?
But you participated in Ibayomo.
No.
Okay.
I never come when they
do Ibayomo. But you can't join them for Olode. I can't join
Olode. Although I played one scene.
Okay.
I played one scene.
Okay.
That film. Before then I produced another one called The Siren. Film.
Okay.
So I participated in that one too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So and I believe since when we say you did now, that moment never did, and you did enjoy the industry. You understand? And now, I guess I want to try. I guess who will be your mentor for inside the industry, or your motivating factor, person. Because if you don't like person, automatically you can't be your motivating factor.
Yes, that's
when you go down, but you know, as you take come your back, you can't they put you. You understand? So I wonder how that person will be.
The person I love so much. I love her way doing everything about her. It's not that person. It's this lady Frances. I love her so much.
But she herself no say they admire her.
I don't know.
But how una relationship be? How una friendship be? Close?
The friendship not too
close,
tight like that.
Okay.
No, not too tight. But if you see with a greet and if even those kind of thing.
Okay.
Understand? There was a time when she even patronized me for my hair.
Okay.
Something, understand?
Okay.
So I love her so much. I love her ways doing the way she do her things, acting. Yes.
Okay. And recently, not too recently, you ventured into producing.
Yes.
Yeah. You can't do movie now.
Yeah. I don't produce movie.
That movie now, you the writer. I be the paid producer. You the paid
the
writer.
Writer. Yes.
Okay. So and the paid director also.
The paid director.
You the employ crew members.
Yes.
So you want to put the money.
Yes.
still on it because I won't malayo are iku.
What's her name?
Otioma. I beg we normally the way we did do now. Here we work back.
Has a
so we did do it gradually. You understand? So and all these movies where you don't do, you don't understand. Outside your, I suppose you get your best. Your best, you know, understand? And outside your own.
Yes.
You know, understand?
It.
Okay.
This movie go favor.
Produced by who?
Produced by Jerry Jegon.
Okay.
Yes.
So you endorse that film because you played the lead role, or you just say that film?
No, just the character was something else.
You just like the
the
storyline.
It's just all about the two stubborn girls.
Okay.
Just something like Aki and Popo, you know.
Okay.
The way they all those okay. So yeah, no, that movie, I really love that movie, like seriously.
Okay. For inside the matter, so I believe say by now, since you came in, you suppose don't know how many films when be say man, they don't feature you.
Yeah, movies me new.
Yeah, you feel count down.
On your but Obun. Also,
like a million.
I tell you,
like a million.
No, never reach million.
Okay, never reach a million.
No, never reach million.
Okay.
The one now if you can't. Yeah, I think Achille produced by Love Day. Amovie.
Okay, but if you say me classified all, you go don't reach 50.
Yes.
Okay.
You don't reach.
Okay, good.
Movie me
realize we're even up till now. My Yitama village in Ukere.
A village in Ikere, we got no bevo. We are Korean.
Alright.
We got the Bible berry.
Okay, that's where you were born and bred.
Yes.
Okay, now can we dabble into your private life religion? Okay. So are you married?
No. Am I married?
In a relationship?
In a relationship? For now?
Okay.
For now?
Okay.
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah, for now.
So what kind of a man do you seek? I hope you are not alone. At least if a man should come to your way now, so what kind of a man do you seek? At this man, when you say man you like, what will make you be
okay?
Just give a description to him in one word.
Oh, well, I'm sorry. You call Ramadan.
Okay.
I'm not my call.
Okay.
I'm man of me away. Not take away.
Okay.
A quarter one name me for.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
Are you where you want?
Okay.
The way. Bang.
Okay.
You get married.
Okay.
All those things. No, I'm not looking for that kind of man. You understand? The man that will respect me for who I am.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Okay. And the God-fearing man.
Okay.
And I mean God-fearing man. I will not say trousers, not say seven now.
Okay.
No. Understand? Please, all the was a little boy exist.
Okay.
Understand? I will tell you about you.
Okay.
Okay.
Understand?
Okay. So we go to
okay, let's do some recycling a little. You understand? Let's do some recycling a little. Okay, what about this criticism, you know? Only the criticism all over where please, you know, when they go Benin movie, they not to the game money. I know say we don't discuss on issue. So from our industry, you know, over there, so not to the game money and some of your picture qualities are poor. You understand? So those things, how you take the handle those criticisms?
Normally, now waiting people will talk with them.
But they will always talk.
They will always talk.
Yeah,
understand? Right. So the only thing I can say here is that no way me man when I very support to wear it. When I very bad name man.
Okay.
We need support.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
When I support man we are if you be over there now. You support 30 minutes or what?
Okay.
I believe man be where brother where say. And I very go you buy please. Emi have ekwere. Emi me we what to talk about how emi ya uma and we need support. Ma me no fian gba nu we when we pay na error we want to tabaka we me understand on you there.
All right. Okay, due to how you don't reach now, you understand, and I believe you still get one way or the other. You still get people when be say, man, you don't still parks, and people when don't still parks you understand. So if you're asked to give an advice, you understand, just give advice to those people, because especially people who want to be like you. I wonder what you could be your advice for them.
Yeah, my advice to those people is that they don't lose hope.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
One thing about the industry,
okay,
don't lose hope.
Okay.
Once you lose hope, you open my brother.
Yeah.
Waiting, second year.
Okay.
Understand? Normally, if you come into the industry, wadare,
okay,
many temptation,
okay,
and many, but so I've been where me where mass on now.
Yeah.
But not to listen to the article when you know where.
Yeah.
A boy we can't say no, you were happy.
Yeah.
Waiting, Sevani.
Okay.
So na normal thing, I'm not the industry, I'm not the line industry, normal thing for the start.
Yeah.
You must face many things.
Okay.
So you just have to bear.
Okay.
Understand? You just have to bear and don't listen to side talk.
Talking about challenges, I wonder what those challenges when you don't pass through or industry will be, because in your way,
yes. You pass through challenges in Obuni.
Yeah.
Kakabo industry.
Okay.
Then when I new come to the industry,
okay,
if I see person with a good location, I say, bros, I beg, I hear see the good location.
Okay.
I for me.
Okay.
Because I from wherever.
Okay.
Bros, I hear see the good location. May I follow you now?
Okay.
But it's a me run about 11.
Okay.
But you work 1 week, you 3 days. You know go play. Once you go sing, you don't go play. Okay. Pack it. I will book here. I don't know play right now. We what talking? Me work the play. Move in here at the end.
And those people will always kick back. I make you understand where I'm. I
can't remove now. Expecting why it's and when me here with me here. You understand? Where to use even when you cover the lights.
Okay.
So I know.
Okay. So, but among all the 1,001 directors when they been in here, you understand?
Yeah.
I wonder who you want to work with. The director when you never worked with before, and you love to work with that person, and it's either you never get your kind of script, you understand, or in what TV said, you understand. So I wonder who that person will be.
This person I respect so much. Last lot.
Okay, Dua. Imaswe.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
I never work with him.
Okay, and you love to work with him? I
love to work with him.
Alright. Yeah. So someday awara iberi obukan ovie ona a new border kokba then that year I will menwe focus on that angle. It's either adubere we erini no gualo or akuni. We're not going to waste much time. We go on a break. When I said we are going on a break, trust me when I said we are not coming back on this. Still with Joy OV is okay. Don't go anywhere. I wait till you double I will catch you again. So what you get to tell audience, you know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we at Gorilla Multimedia wish to interest you in our services, which includes movie production, from pre-production to post-production, MC for your events to create funniest times, red carpet services for your events, event coverage, and lots more. We also have a department called the G Sign, where we print on shirts, caps, cups, wedding cards, flex, SAV, and lots more. For more info, contact us on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
I love Gorilla Multimedia.
Donne Mose. We do not go in. But we say we be nige kai. E me pa ni unita mo wa iwe. Ba ja wo se Gorilla TV. Wa bege bi mi fun kakabo. Wa we se.